Folks, I'm back again. The final demonstration video for this particular knit, excuse me, I've just got my wool caught around the camera stand. We'll start again. Is the Faux Picot bind off. So a really simple start. Knit 1, SSK, slip, slip, knit through the back of the stitch, so we're taking 3 down to 2, turn the work, purl 2, or if you want to do one of the Nathan Taylor knitting backward tricks, you can. I don't mind, it's entirely up to you. Knit 2, yarn over, and then we start again. Knit 1, slip, slip, knit, turn the work, purl 2, turn the work, knit 2, yarn round the needle, yarn forward, and we start again. Knit 1, slip, slip, knit, turn the work, purl 2, turn the work, knit 2, yarn forward, and into the next repeat. So you can see that we're making slightly elongated holes here, which we will eventually fold in half to create our faux picot edge, because we're just going to fold those holes in half and stitch the back edge down. Really straightforward. One more repeat for you. Knit 1, slip, slip, knit through the back of the loop, turn the work, purl 2, turn the work, knit 2, yarn over the needle, and into the next one. Enjoy knitting your set holes, enjoy creating your faux picot bump at the end, and I hope it'll come out looking really, really nice.